We are a global company with multiple locations, and our asset management and maintenance approach was different in every location. We want to be the best, and that's why we chose MaxGrip as a partner. And MaxGrip worked with us to map our current status of maturity in our maintenance processes and came up with a strategic plan to improve and enhance those. So we selected MaxGrip because MaxGrip has an offering to provide assessments and an approach to maintenance excellence, which is different than other providers in the industry. They have deep knowledge and skills and expertise. They have a nice way to really engage the organization and take them along in the journey to realize such an improvement project. It has not been that MaxGrip came in as a consultant, wrote a report, gave the advice and went away. They really were able to work along with our team, engage them in the whole project to understand what the gaps were, and really put the ownership with our own team, which is really important for the sustainable success of such a project. The most inspiring is when you walk around in the plant, and if you make a tour through the plants and you see the people working on a daily basis, you see that everybody has their own role using the tools that have been provided, and basically see more cadence and rhythm in the daily work. That is really the most visible effect, and people being proud of their own work and their own profession. But also in management presentations and the financial results and our availability, we see true improvements which are very encouraging.